Hello everyone, welcome to TechHawk. In this video, I am going to show you how to add co-organizers in Microsoft Teams meetings. I will show you two ways to add co-organizers in a Teams meeting. First one, a meeting is already created. I have to just add co-organizers in that meeting. And another one, while creating the meeting for the first time, how to add co-organizers in that meeting. So let's see how to do this. So first of all, I'm going to open Microsoft Teams and click on calendar here. I have created a test meetings already. Just double click on it. This is the meeting. At the top and right corner, you will find meeting options. Click on that one. So it will go to the browser and some meeting options will appear here, and from here click on roles or just scroll down and you will find an option here, choose co-organizers, and from the drop down menu you can select any of these participants and select them as a co-organizer and click on save, and you see it's done. That means in that meeting these two participants are now co-organizers. Now I will show you how to add these co-organizers while creating a meeting. I will show you this from Microsoft Outlook. So click on new items, click on meeting and title test meeting, and here you will find again a meeting options here. Click here. This time it will not be opened in a browser, rather a pop-up menu will appear, and scroll down. You will find co-organizers here. I cannot edit this because I have not added any participant in this meeting. So first I am going to add some participant. Then I will click on meeting options again, and here you see choose co-organizers. From the drop down menu I can add co-organizers to this meeting and click save. While it's done, then I just have to send this meeting. So I hope this video helps you to add co-organizers in Teams meeting. Thanks for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.